What is up, guys? It is me, Max Crusher, back at you guys with another video. Right now, we are trying to stream the new drum shotgun. I am a default, cause as you can, if you've seen my other videos, I'm really bad. Combat. How much damage does this thing do? 45 damage. You know, what are the other variants gonna be like? Oh wow, I got the drum gun. And I got the green version. Whoa. I forgot how to... Okay, now I'm gonna trade that off of that. Who's ready for some more trash gameplay? Woo! I just realized this isn't like the whatchamacallit. This isn't like the other, what is it? I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but soon I will be doing streams on Rainbow Six Siege. Every once in a while I may play some for all you Apex Legends fans, I might play some here and there. I don't know. I never got real. I didn't really like the game. Too hard. Especially on my servers. Way too hard. I said, oh yeah, cause I ate your dad. That came out wrong, cause it sounded really wrong and stupid. The storm's coming to get me. But it can't catch me because I'm the gingerbread man. Can't catch me. Wee. Get me into the substream. Oh yeah. Baby, I can fly. Wow, that was. What the hell? My gliders, bro. My gliders didn't. By the way, I know no one's gonna watch this, but if people actually do, can you let me know how to dance at the beach parties? Cause I'm having trouble with that at the moment of time. And I'm gonna go on record right now by saying this shotgun is doo doo. What's the blue one like? How much does this one do? 48 damage. It's only 4 more. Okay, no. Nope. Go back. And I'm gonna just build them one by one like a little camper. For all you people wondering why my edit is cap lock, it is because I feel like shift is it's too common. Who the hell just landed? Ow! Really, dude? Trash edits, boy. Of course they shoot me down. Why wouldn't they? Dude, where are you, bro? It's like, damn, brother. Alright, David here. The crusher is here. I'm about to crush your bones with my fat body. Yeah, that's right, I said that. Nah. Dude! Why you gotta take my stuff? I called dibs on this. Oh, man. And he had it. He had it going. Nope. That's not what I meant to do. Ah, mosquitoes again, bro. Ooh. I'm here. Bouncy. What a wonderful time I get the bouncy. Climb it. Oh. I'm bouncing high. Look at me, mom. I broke my neck. Ow, what the hell? Wait, it does 3 at a time? I'ma just start bouncing again. Bouncy. Oh, what a wonderful. Ah! You can't shoot me while I'm bouncing. Just a bouncy. No! Bouncy. What a wonderful time. Yes, bouncy. No! Ooh, ammo shells. You killed my father. My name is Antigua Montoya. Ow! What the heck? You know, you shouldn't really shoot kids, cause like that's just mean. That makes you look like a really bad friend. Ooh. Bounce. Oh, whoa. Yeah, bounce with me. Oh! Oops, gotta go. Dude, the opposite team sucks. That's why I can just bounce. Whoa. Bounce. You ever get that moment of sadness cause you just found out your girlfriend broke up with you? It's exactly how I feel right now. Come here, boy. I'm about to eat you, bro. You tasted yummy. What the heck? Now I know why it's called the drum shotgun. It's a spamming shotgun. Woo! You did it again, Epic. You did it again. I hear fighting. Oh! I'm gonna say that was 5 IQ. I guess. Yeah, maybe. Bouncy, bouncy, what a wonderful time about the bouncy, bouncy. Climb it, bro. Well, I gotta break me down, but I'ma build back up. Yeah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's right, bro. When you fought. Dude, I'm so used to just... That's actually pretty cool. Wait, what? What? I hit him like continuously for 26. I mean, I guess. About to drop a 20 bomb right here. Watch, 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 watch. Boom, 20 bomb. Dude, he came from behind. Why? Gotta fight like real men. Real manly men. Cause manly men don't hide behind. Oh my god, bro. This is what we call 45 ping, 75 ping, 85 ping, and 2 FPS. Boing. I legitimately thought I ran out of, oops. That's right, kid. Get danced on. Let's see. Anyone on? Oh boy. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it right here because I don't know if he's gonna want to be in this video, but I'm gonna end it right here. So I'll see you guys later. Adios, compadre.